My name is Tanisha Iyer and I am from India. I'd worked for 3.5 years, mainly in the fields of audit, tax and finance. And that was when I realized that it was time for me to understand businesses in a more holistic way. It's time to develop the managerial skills to a higher level. So I just jumped in. The case methodology itself is a very, very key learning. Provokes you to open up your mind in so many different aspects. So it provokes a lot of critical, quick thinking. So that definitely is a huge game changer when it comes to transforming your thought processes in a more practical, dynamic way. The professors play a huge part, especially here at EADA, because they're so accessible all the time and they just want you to just approach them and learn so much from them. So I think that's incredible, and they come from such rich backgrounds and bring so much experience and humility to the table, so to say. So my classmates, yes, I think that they again have played a very, very key role in my learning. And not just academically, because even when you hang out after the class and you have a more personal, intimate friendships with them, you learn to know so much about different cultures so hands-on, like first-hand, and it's just so incredible because you feel, oh my God, I was in a bubble. This was just our last Koibato session. It makes me a little emotional and sentimental when I just reflect on my first session, because I myself can feel so much growth from my first session to my last session. I mean, I feel I'm much more self-aware and much more fearless, courageous, and I think I've tremendously improved on my interpersonal skills because of the Koibato sessions. Yeah. Thought process at EADA is because they don't teach you what to do, but how to do things. So they mold you into an individual who can adapt to any circumstance and just have that belief, okay, I'll be able to do it. That sort of disposition to have is the biggest takeaway from EADA and more specifically from Koibato. So I think that would work not just in the corporate world or in my social life or in my personal life, but anything in life on a broader scale, I feel, yeah. I love Barcelona. I think it's so cosmopolitan. It's so warm, the people are so friendly. Never ever have I encountered any sort of racism ever here in Barcelona. Apart from the obvious things like the weather and it being like having spectacular architecture and amazing food, it's also good for startups. It's good if you want to work in a more dynamic, more technologically advanced environment, so to say. Yeah, and it's a great place to spend your 10 months of MBA in. Yeah, Barcelona is love. If you are looking for an intense, rigorous, really hands-on, practical 10 months of MBA program that really enhances your thinking, thought processes, and enriches your thinking in many ways, and definitely the leadership skills, EADA is the place to be.